How to sign up for Grubhub delivery driver. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can sign up for Grubhub delivery driver, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically sign up for your Grubhub delivery driver, all you have to do is go to driver.grubhub.com, and once you go to driver.grubhub.com, you're going to see this type of interface where it says Grubhub for driver. It says make money on your time. So first of all, you have to select a state as to where you would like to ride, and then from there you have to make sure to select a city, then tap the next option. Then you'll be taken to the next page where you can simply go ahead and select other options, and you can choose the apply to drive option. And once you have done that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically sign up for your Grubhub driver account by simply giving, and make sure that you have a driver's license, by the way. So this way you should be able to sign up for Grubhub delivery driver. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.